Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make some things with twisted wire. You can twist your own wire by hand, you can use a drill, or Beadalon actually makes a wire twisting tool. I'm going to link up some tutorials below that I've made using twisted wire and by twisting my own wire. What I'm going to use for this project is the artistic wire that's already pre-twisted. I have 18 gauge and 20 gauge, and I have some different colors. For this one, I'm using 2 to 3 inches of the 18 gauge tarnish resistant brass. It's 3 wires that are twisted together. We're going to take our ring mandrel and just wind it around at the size that you want. This one we're going to bend at a right angle, and then we want to take this end and bend it around. Just right around. This one gets bent down, so it's nice and snug. We're going to remove the ring mandrel, take the end, push it right down, take your flush cutters and cut it flush, push this down, squeeze it in so the ends are all flush. Bring it around, tug this one a bit, cut these ends flush, push it right in there. Make sure all 3 strands are flush and pushed in there so they're not scratchy. Put it back on the ring mandrel just to shape it. And there you have your very simple twisted wire ring. It's got a little knot at the back, but the ends are nicely secured. For the bird's nest ring, I'm going to take 12 to 15 inches of the twisted 20 gauge wire and put on 3 4mm miracle beads. And then I'm just going to bring these ones around into a triangle and wind this one around a few times. Take the ring mandrel and bring this one around. Make it a little bigger than you need because we're going to twist the wire inside. Bring it over here and then bend it around and around. And around. So we have the starting point like that. We're going to remove this. I'm just going to bring this one around and finish it on one side. So put the wire through, bend it all the way around, clip it flush, and pinch the ends in so they're not pokey. Now for this end, we're going to wind it around to hold these wires together. So just take this wire, bring it up through here, wind it, and work your way around. So go over here, bring it up, wind it around, over here, up. We're sewing, kind of sewing it in place. So over here and then again over here, up. And we could probably go one more time. Wherever you see a little space in the wires. So bring this one around, adjust it as you need. And we ended one side over here, so this side we're going to end over here. So just take this, bring it through and around, cut it flush, pinch the end in so it's not sharp, put it back on the ring cone and adjust it as you like. And there you have your super cool and easy bird's nest ring. The rose ring is similar to the bird's nest. I'm using the 20 gauge rose gold twisted wire. I'll take the ring mandrel and I'm just going to bring the wire around. So we'll just bring it all the way around here. I'm going to bend that one straight up on an angle and then just bring this one around. Start it like that. And we're just going to loosely wind it around. It doesn't have to be even. We just want it to be loose little curves to form the rose. And you can go above, below, above and below as you like. And when you've used enough wire, just stick it through here. Bring it all the way around. and clip that flush. Pinch the end in. This wire here, we want to bring it out, follow the curve. We'll just wind it around one time, bring it to this side, bring it around, up, and clip it flush and pinch it in there so it's not rough. Put it back on the ring cone, adjust it. The copper wire is pretty soft and easy to adjust. And there you have your beautiful and very easy rose ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.